Good morning, parents. Once again, okay. This video is exclusively for the parents. Those who are asking about the मतलब कि सर मेरे बच्चे का टेबल्स जो है वो अच्छे से बोल पाता है बट वो अप्लाई नहीं कर पा रहा है. ओके, तो टेबल्स उसको याद होते हैं बट नेक्स्ट डे वो भूल जाता है. ठीक है. और हम उससे लिख के करवाते हैं. देन ऑल्सो मतलब इवन आफ्टर राइटिंग सो मेनी टाइम्स he is not able to apply it, right? So which is the right way of preparing the tables? you know tables are the you can say the fundamentals. देखने जाए तो बराबर है. They are the building blocks of mathematics. Okay, so this is the way you need to मतलब prepare your child when especially when he is preparing the tables of 5, 6, 7, any table. Okay, see, if the child is attempting for the first time, okay, so for example if it is a table of 7, okay, then ask your child, okay, 7 ones are, then it is 7. Okay, now when you are telling him ki 7 twos are, then there are two ways. Okay, first of all, tell your child to do 7 plus 7. Let him add. Okay, whatever the answer comes, that will become 7 twos are 14. Okay, then here it is 14. Now 7 twos are 14. Okay, now 7 threes are. Okay, बच्चे को आप सिखाइए कि बेटा एक बार 7 थ्रीजा का मतलब होता है 7 7 7 को तुम्हें 3 बार प्लस करना है. ओके, तो ये जो आंसर आता है वो, और एक बार उसको ये भी सिखाओ कि 14 में 7 ऐड करो. बराबर है. 14 प्लस 7 बराबर तो कितना आता है, राइट? ये दो चीजें उससे चेक करवाने की, दोनों में सेम आंसर आना चाहिए. तो एक टाइम पे क्या है, पैरेलल एडिशन भी उसका स्ट्रांग होता जाएगा. ओके, सेम वे अगर 7 फोर्स आ, ओके, तो क्या करेगा वो 7 7 7 7 4 टाइम्स करेगा. बराबर. एंड देन 21 में वो 7 ऐड करेगा सेकंड वे, राइट? तो ये हो गया 28. इस तरह से पहले पूरा टेबल जो है वो प्रिपेयर करवा लीजिए. बराबर है. अब नाउ गिव हिम सम टाइम टू डू बाय हार्ट, जिसको हम कहते हैं नाउ बाय हार्ट मींस many times what happens is child mug ups the table. Okay, that is called the ratification. Okay, which we have to avoid. Okay, now actually child has understood the calculations and values. Okay, how can we check it? First of all, ask your child to speak the table in a forward manner. Okay, मतलब let him speak 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, like that. Okay, then ask him to speak the table in the reverse direction. Okay, then he will start from 7 tens are 72, 7 nines are 63, 7 eights are 56, 7 sevens are 49, up to he will go to 7 ones are 7. Okay, चलो, तो ये हो गया फॉरवर्ड, दूसरा हो गया रिवर्स. Okay, then you can ask him that forward one skip. Okay, what does that mean? 7 ones are 7, then he will speak 7 threes are. Okay, then he will speak 7 threes are, 7 fives are, 7 sevens are, 7 nines are, up to 7 nines are. Okay, then you can ask him forward 2 skip. Okay, so 7 ones are 7, then immediately 2 skip karo, तो 1 and 2 चला गया, that is 3. Okay, 3 के बाद 4 and 5 चला गया, 6, and 6 के बाद 7 and 8 चला गया, तो 9. तो 7 ones are sorry 1 के बाद 2 3 चला गया, sorry my mistake. Okay, 2 3 चला गया, then he will speak 7 fours are, then again 2 skip, that is 7 sevens are, and again 2 skip, that is 7 tens are, like that. Okay, now same thing in the reverse way. Okay, he has to speak reverse with 1 skip. Okay, then he will speak like this, 7 tens are 70. Okay, then 1 skip, मतलब 9 will skip, and 7 eights are 56, 7 six are 42, 7 fours are like that, 7 twos are. Okay, in reverse also you can ask him to skip. Okay, you just have to monitor whether the child is able to speak up with a sufficient speed, right? Now, इतना होने के बाद you can always ask him like this. This is called cross questioning. Okay, you can say, what is 7 8s are? Then the child will immediately reply 56. Okay, ask your child around 3-4 जम्बलिंग, मतलब 7 8 सा पूछ लो एक बार 7 5 सा पूछ लो, एक बार 7 9 सा पूछ लो, एक बार वैल्यू बढ़ानी है, एक बार कम करनी है, एक बार बढ़ानी है, एक बार कम करनी है, ठीक है? ऐसे नहीं पूछना है 7 3 सा 7 5 सा 7 6 सा, don't ask like that. Okay, if you are asking 7 7 सा, then ask 7 3 सा. Okay, now when you are asking your child 7 7 सा, okay, when you are asking your child 7 7 सा, so that time just make sure your child should not be doing like this in mind, 7 7 सा, 7 1 सा, 7 2 सा, 7 3 सा, 7 4 सा. He should not go 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. He should not go that way, right? Okay, that means he is doing mug up. Okay, ratification process. That is what we simply don't want child to do. Is it clear? Okay. Now, after asking all these things, okay, directly make sure that your child, immediately, when you ask 7 7, he says 49. Okay, that is the speed required. Okay, now last way of testing that child, okay, is you give them a number like this. This is the, tell me, 50 comes in the table of 7. Child will say no. Then tell me, which is the nearest number of 50 which comes in the table of 7? Okay, nearest number of 50. Then child will think, okay, 57 7s are 49 and 7 8s are 56. So he has to speak 7 7s are 49. Okay, then immediately you can change the number. Okay, and then you say 34. So now child will calculate 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. Okay, then he will speak 7 5s are 35. If this is the way you will ask your child to prepare the tables, he will not forget for the lifetime. Okay, and parallelly his addition will also become strong. His place value and number calculations will be also become very strong. Okay, so ask your child to prepare the tables like this. Okay, because later stage pe, okay, initially the child should remember the tables of 1 to 20. Okay, if he is below 5th standard, 1 to 20 is enough, more than sufficient, right? एक बार 1 to 20 टेबल्स हो जाते हैं, बाद में कोई भी नंबर का टेबल कैसे बनाना है वो फटाफट, मतलब मैं आपको वैदिक मैथ्स एंड थोड़ा बहुत कैलकुलेशन ट्रिक से करना सिखा दूंगा, बराबर है? चलो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको फिर से कैलकुलेशंस, मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाले जो स्किल्स वाले टास्क थे वो मैं आपको सिखा रहा हूँ, बराबर है? तो हो सके तो प्लीज don't force the child, okay, but 1 to 10 tables to sabke, I am assuming that it will be very perfect if the child is below 5th standard, right? And try karo ki if the child can prepare the table of 11 to 20 as well. Okay, the same method, in the same manner. Okay, don't give them too much. Okay, 11 to 15 aaj kar lo, 15 to 20 kal kar lo. No, that won't work. Okay, give them the only 2 tables, 11 and 12, 13 and 14, like that. Now, last way of asking, if the child says that my tables are perfect, 1 to 10 tables are perfect, then you give them this task कि बेटा 48 किस किस टेबल में आता है? Then child must be able to speak that 6 8s are 48, 8 6s are 48. Are you getting my point? What I am trying to teach them? Okay, ultimately child is developing the concept of factor, but that concept is developing automatically, right? Then you will ask the child, tell me 30 comes in which table? Then child will say 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 10 3s are 30. Okay, and then you can give him one task, which number comes in the maximum table, that way. So let him investigate. Okay, let him write the table, let him check that this number is coming this many number of times, this number is coming this many number of times. Okay, that way he will build up the relationship with the numbers. I hope you are getting my points. Okay, so this way. And yeah, one more thing, you can ask the child like this also. 50 comes, tell me the number which is nearest to 50 in the table of 6 and 8. Now you can say that you can see that 6 and 8 दोनों के table में 50 is not there. Okay, 50 is not coming in the table of 6 nor in the table of 8 also. Okay, now which is the nearest number? So then you can observe that 6 8s are 48 and 8 6s are 48. That is the nearest number in both the tables, right? But if you change it to, say for example, 8 and 9, then 9 6 are 54, 9 5s are 45, but 8 6 are 48. Then again only 48 is the answer. Okay, so let your child judge all these things, calculate all these things, let him do the analysis. Okay, then surely this method will work for your child. Okay, thank you parents.